Alright, so in this video we are going to do the login system. So we're going to create a public function login, and we are going to also go in here and use this field here to basically check if they are using an email or username. So that's basically what we do here. So we want to go in and say login is equal to request login. So basically we are grabbing the login field here, and then we are basically using the request here to go in and get the field here. Then we validate if it's an email or if not, it's a username. We will then try to log in with either of those details. Now what we want to do is we want to go in and copy and paste these two here, and we also quite quickly just want to go in and set a status code of 200 here. And then we basically want to go all the way up here, make sure it's saved, and inside our register controller let's also make sure we use app auth and user here. So if we go in and include those here, we will then actually be able to go in and then go in request and merge this one here. So basically what it's gonna do is it's gonna tell the JWT-auth is if it is an email or if it's a username, and then it would try to sign you in with one of those credentials and the password, of course. So let's go in and do that. Now, because this could go ahead and be a really long video if I had to basically type in all of this, it's easier for me to just go in and explain. So what we're gonna do here is we merge all of this as an email or as a username field, and then putting in the login field here. So basically we are creating an array that is either called email or username, depending on if it's an email, and if it's not an email, it will be called username field. That is then equal to the value in the login here. Then we basically go in credentials and make a variable where we then try to just say request but only field and password. Then we go in and check if this is a valid sign in or not. If it's not, it will basically just go all the way down here and basically log you in. So basically what we have here is let's go in and keep a little bit more consistency. So ideally we could actually just go ahead with the code we have here and then go in and add this here. Now of course we can go in and change this to request user, and also let's make sure that we actually have the token field here. So this is created here, and then this will set the token field. If it does succeed, we will basically go in here and return a response with that token. So yeah, that's actually just what we need to do for the login here. So we say authenticated true, we give the user details, we send a status request of 200, and then here we basically go in and say errors, and the root error is then the message, and then we have the status code here. The reason why we do it this way is because by doing it this way, we will first of all exactly get the correct status code instead of having a wrong status code or just create one like 44 or 502. So we will get the correct status code. So whatever is happening will be told here what is gone wrong and what is correct. So thank you very much for watching this video, and be sure to watch the next video where we are gonna do validation on the login and the register controller, and as well use Postman to test all of this out. I might create a small separate video to just show you how to download Postman and then create the video after this, but I'm promising you we will very soon get to test the login system and the registration system, and then we of course also want to send an email verification after that. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.